Hi Gandhi class, it was so great seeing you on our live session earlier, and I'm amazed by how hard you have been working in science. Loved seeing some of your mind maps earlier and sharing the information that you already know about magnets. So here is our next science lesson for this week, and our learning objective is, can I understand the meaning of scientific words? Now, this is all of your key vocabulary for science for this term. I'm going to go through what each of these mean, and then I've got a little task for you at the very end. So our first word is, my turn, your turn, magnets. Magnets. So magnets are objects that have an invisible magnetic field, and it pulls or pushes magnetic materials towards or away from them. My turn, your turn, poles. Poles. One of the two ends of a magnet where the magnetism is found. So we've got the north and the south poles. My turn, your turn, forces. Forces. A force is the motion, push or pull of an object. A force can cause an object to accelerate, so that means to move, and get faster, slow down, remain in place, or change shape. So if you have a look, here, we've got your magnet, and a north and a south pole attract one another. A north and a north pole repel one another, so they push each other away, and a south pole also repel one another, so they push each other away. My turn, your turn. Attract. Attract. A force that pulls objects towards it. My turn, your turn. Repel. Repel. A force that pushes objects away. My turn, your turn. North. North. This will usually be the red end of a magnet where the magnetism is found. So here you can see north, it's got an N for north. My turn, your turn. South. South. Now this is usually the blue end of a magnet where the magnetism is found. So here you can see it's got an S for south. My turn, your turn. Magnetic. Magnetic. This is to have the power to pull or be pulled towards another object. My turn, your turn. Friction. Friction. A force acts in the opposite direction to the way an object wants to slide. So anytime two objects rub against each other, they cause friction. So this is friction because one is pushing one way and the other is pushing another way. Okay, so I've got 3 different tasks here. You can choose the task that you would like to do. Level 1 is to write the word and draw a picture to represent it. So go through the key vocabulary, write down the keyword and draw a picture to represent it. Level 2, you need to match the word to its definition, and this will be on the next slide. So you can pause the video on the next slide and rewrite the word and the meaning next to each other. And then level 3, I want you to go back through the key vocabulary and write your own sentences for each of the words. Okay, so level 2, if you choose to do level 2, here is level 2. Please make sure that you are using your neatest handwriting, your finger spaces and your punctuation are there. Capital letters must be at the start of a new sentence. And make sure you upload all of your work to Tapestry. I can't wait to see it. Bye, guys.